inside here, there's a gate, room for parking of whatever, boat, RV, etc. Go right back there. As we see the neighborhood, see the mountains in the distance. That is to the west. You can see the neighborhood. Mix of single-story and two-story homes. Now, as I'm looking at these homes across the street right now, behind that is the 95 freeway. Maybe see right there, that large wall back there. That is the freeway back there. There certainly is some noise from the front here, at least. We'll see how we do in the back. And then off to the east, you can see mountains as well. So we'll go inside now. The front yard is all desert landscaping, very little maintenance. A little bit windy today. All the electricity and power and plumbing have been turned off. It's been winterized, so the lighting may not be the best in here. But as we walk in, we see some vinyl flooring entryway, and then wood, light-colored laminate wood flooring. And when we come in, the first thing we have on our left is a office, den, bedroom. It's just missing the doors. So it looks like there would be double doors here. There were at one time. So this could be a bedroom, as there's a window and you can see a closet as well. Vaulted ceilings. So as we move along, we come into the family room, kitchen. Now back here, I may have missed this. This was the dining area, the formal dining living room. And we move along here into the family room. You'll see a gas fireplace and the kitchen, tile countertops, no refrigerator. The stove is certainly older, may or may not work. Dishwasher, I would put that in the same category as well. They both look original. It certainly needs some TLC. And then there's a little breakfast area, another little dining area here. Or bar stools could go there. We'll go outside while we're here. There's a sliding glass door and covered patio, as you can see. And there's synthetic grass. Looks to be in good shape. And it's nicely landscaped back here with some trees, bushes, and then we go over to this side of the yard and it's dirt. So there's something that could be done here. Probably room enough for a pool, small pool, hot tub, whatever the case may be. And around the corner you find, go back to that gate that we saw from the front. The exterior of the house seems to be okay. May need some paint in the future. This covered patio looks like it's in good shape. And there's another slider that is for the master bedroom. So you can see this patio has concrete here, and then the other side of the house is just landscaped with rocks. So we'll go back inside. Vaulted ceilings, And as we go down the hall here, again, the lighting is not the greatest, but we have a full bath here, which appears to be the guest bathroom. Tub and shower. And as we walk along here, we come into the master. Here's the closet, very good sized master closet. The carpet is a little rough, may or may not be able to be cleaned, certainly has some issues that needs to be stretched. The walls most likely need painting. And you can see some staining up there from you may need to paint the ceilings as well. Do something with them. There's that sliding glass door I spoke of, leading to the backyard. And then in here we have the master bathroom with 2 sinks and a separate tub, non-jetted, just a regular tub and shower. So we come back out of this room, and here's another bedroom, the same carpet, blue paint, flat panel door. And the 3rd bedroom, or 4th bedroom, if that front room is a bedroom. Small, 10 by 10. And then we come into the laundry area where the washer and dryer would go. They're not here, not included. And then finally the garage, which again, I don't have any light here, but from what I can see, there's an opener, and that's about it for the garage. Can't open the door, but that garage looked to be okay. So overall, I'd say the house certainly needs some TLC. That would be the downside. The neighborhood is probably good to above average. There will be that road noise though across the street. I don't hear any too much from inside the house. I really don't hear it. I want to go back out and check to see if I heard any road noise from the backyard. Not really. It's not too bad. I can hear it from the front, but not the back. So anyway, that is this house. Again, it's going to need a little bit of work. It's going to need some appliances. Certainly the refrigerator, and there's a microwave would go right there, and the other appliances very well could need to be replaced. And so that's about it here from this property on 917 Wagon Train.